Hello learners, in your EG Algebra, we are here to discuss about the numerical aspect of principle of mathematical induction, and I hope you are enjoying this concept of principle of mathematical induction, and you are finding this very significant and very emergent for your future study and future planning of derivation of any scientific ideology or any research if you are intended for that. So let us write a numerical that I was discussing in the previous class, that please let us write verify 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus dot dot n dot dot up to n is equal to n into under bracket n plus 1 by 2. So students, you are observing here that I have written 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus dot dot n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So we have to verify with the help of principle of mathematical induction that whether this statement is true or not. For that you write here firstly proof. You write proof and you take it as a proposition. Let us write let Pn is equal to Pn, this is a small p, a small n is equal to, you have to write the same 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot 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 plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Means the question you have taken it as Pn. Proposition of this Pn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 dot dot n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the statement. Then in step 1, what you have to do? Right here, step 1. In step 1. It is not possible for me because I am using software. It is not possible for me to write in each and every terms what I am speaking. So I suggest you that you should write and you should see only here the numerical calculation. So as for in step 1, suppose when n is equal to 1, if you are putting n is equal to 1. Then here in LHS, you tell me what will be in LHS. Left hand side, in left hand side this will be P, means you are putting here n is equal to 1. So this is P1, and P1 means you have to take first term of LHS. This is 1. When n is equal to 1 means you are taking first term. Number of term is 1. Then first term is 1. And in RHS, what you can find? Please tell me. You will be finding what? Please tell me. Here will be 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 means 1 into 2 divided by 2. These two and these two will be cancelled. Then we can get 1. This is 1. Sorry for your interruption. This is n is equal to 1. So you see here in step 1, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So according to Peano-Jackson, this statement, please write, here we see that this Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Now, step 2, please write. Step 2 means step 2, you have to, what you have to do here? You have to consider that let n is equal to true for m. Let n is equal to true for m. Then, if you are considering that it is true for n is equal to m, then what you can find? You can find here, you have to put here m, and here you have to put m. So, I am deleting this. See here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot. Here we are writing m. Again, here we are writing m into what? M plus 1 divided by 2. So you take it as equation 1. This is equation 1. Means you have seen that this statement is true for n is equal to 1. Now you have considered that this statement is true for n is equal to m. As you know, as per Peano-Jackson, firstly we take n is equal to 1. Then after that we consider the statement is true for n is equal to m. Then after considering n is equal to m, a statement automatically becomes correct for n is equal to m plus 1. So for that, what we shall do? For that we shall do, this implies you write m plus 1 in LHS and m plus 1 in RHS. So this will give you what? This will give you 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot m plus m plus 1. We are adding here m plus 1 in LHS. Here we are adding m plus 1. And here we are again going to add m is into m plus 1 by 2 plus, we are writing here m plus 1. Now you can take m plus 1 and m plus 1 common from both of the sides. Then this will be converted into this form, m plus 1 into m plus 2 divided by divided by 2 divided by 2. So learners, I hope that you are finding here that this statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1, because it is giving you what? M plus 1 into m plus 1 plus 1 means m plus 1 into m plus 2 divided by 2. So this statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1. In this way, we find that this proposition is true for n is equal to 1, and considering it as true for n is equal to m, it is becoming n is equal to m plus 1 true. It is becoming true for n is equal to m plus 1. So according to principle of mathematical induction, this Pn is supposed to be true. This Pn, as you have taken as proposition, this Pn, please write. So according to principle of mathematical induction, this Pn is true for all natural values of n. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you very much for listening and enjoying this numerical. And I hope that you have got it. And similarly, you can apply principle of mathematical induction in case of other identities as you wish to do. Thanks a lot.